Welcome back to the Auto Chapter, car lovers. Today we're taking a detailed look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the flagship sedan that continues to set the benchmark for luxury, technology, and comfort. Whether you're a longtime admirer of the S-Class or just discovering what makes this car so iconic, you're in for a deep dive into a machine that combines sophistication with cutting-edge engineering. Let's get started and see how Mercedes has taken excellence to the next level in 2026. The exterior of the 2026 S-Class is a masterclass in subtle refinement. Mercedes hasn't gone for bold or aggressive changes, but instead polished every angle to near perfection. At the front, the signature grille has been slightly redesigned with a more upright stance, flanked by ultra-slim digital light headlamps that do more than just light the road. The sleek hood, flowing shoulder lines, and flush door handles contribute to a clean aerodynamic shape that exudes elegance. Around back, the redesigned LED tail lamps now carry a more modern pattern, and chrome accents across the rear bumper add just the right touch of flair. The proportions are near perfect, with a long wheelbase that suggests presence, power, and comfort. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class offers a choice of powerful yet refined engines. The S504 features a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine enhanced by Ace Boost technology, delivering 429 horsepower and seamless power delivery. For those who want more performance, the S584 Matic packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that produces an impressive 496 horsepower. Both models are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that shifts almost imperceptibly. The driving experience is nothing short of magical. It's smooth, quiet, and effortless, with air suspension that absorbs road imperfections like they don't exist. Rear axle steering makes this large sedan feel nimble in city driving, and the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip and stability in all conditions. This isn't a car that screams speed. It whispers confidence and control. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that is more like a private lounge than a car cabin. Mercedes has blended traditional luxury with advanced digital features, and the result is stunning. The dashboard is dominated by a large floating OLED touchscreen that houses the latest MBUX infotainment system, which is faster, smarter, and even more intuitive than before. Natural voice commands, haptic feedback, and customizable layouts make it a joy to use. The steering wheel is loaded with touch-sensitive controls, while the digital instrument cluster offers multiple display options, including 3D graphics. Seats are wrapped in premium leather and offer heating, ventilation, massage functions, and even ambient scent options. Rear passengers enjoy executive seating with recline options, entertainment screens, and fold-out tables. Every surface, every button, and every stitch feels crafted with purpose and precision. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 S-Class is positioned as a premium investment. The S504 starts at around $115,000, while the S580 begins at roughly $130,000. Fully loaded models with But when you consider what you're getting, class-leading luxury, next-generation technology, and one of the smoothest rides in the automotive world, it's a price many consider worth every penny. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a car that continues to embody the pinnacle of modern luxury. If you enjoyed the review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more premium car content. Thanks for watching, and 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class